What does New Year's Eve look like when you're celebrating with a premature baby? For many parents, this holiday is a blend of joy and reflection, filled with hope for the future. Imagine the excitement of counting down the seconds to midnight while cradling your little miracle, who arrived earlier than expected. How do you create memorable moments during this special time, balancing the festivities with the unique needs of your tiny one? Join us as we dive into heartwarming ways to celebrate New Year's with your premature baby, ensuring every second is cherished and unforgettable. Create a cozy atmosphere. Transform your home into a warm and inviting space. Dim the lights, add some twinkling fairy lights. And use soft pillows and blankets. This cozy setting will make it easier for your premature baby to feel comfortable and relaxed amidst the celebration. Gentle countdown. Instead of a loud party atmosphere, consider a quiet countdown with family. Use a soothing timer app or soft music to mark the time. As you count down, share sweet wishes for the new year with your baby, expressing your hopes and dreams for their future. Personalized keepsakes. Craft a special ornament or a memory jar to celebrate your little one's first new year. Write down your thoughts and feelings about their journey, or add small mementos from their time in the NICU. This can be a beautiful way to remember this milestone and reflect on their growth. Celebrate with siblings. If you have other children, include them in the celebration. Create a small family activity, like making New Year's hats or crafts. This allows them to feel involved and helps create a sense of unity as you all celebrate together. Focus on love and gratitude. Use this time to express your gratitude for your baby's health and the support of your family and friends. Share a toast, even if it's just sparkling water, to the little victories you've achieved this year. Reflect on the journey and the strength you've found in each other. Capture the moment. Take photos or short videos throughout the evening. These moments may seem small, but they'll become treasured memories in the years to come. Documenting your celebrations helps celebrate your baby's journey and the love that surrounds them. Quiet reflection. As the new year arrives, take a moment for quiet reflection. Hold your baby close and think about the dreams and aspirations you have for them. This peaceful moment can be incredibly special, reminding you both of the strength and resilience that brought you to this point. As the clock strikes midnight, let's embrace the promise of a new year filled with possibilities and joy. Celebrating New Year's with your premature baby can be a beautiful journey, highlighting the resilience and love that defines parenthood. If you found these ideas inspiring and want to learn more about navigating parenthood with grace and joy, hit that subscribe button. Join our community for more uplifting stories and tips on making every moment special with your little one.